Hi, welcome to Keep It Simple Programming. This is the first video in the Python tutorial series, and we will be discussing whether to use an IDE or text editor and how to install one. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which simply means there will be more features. Some of these features include a debugger and an autocomplete. However, these features do come at a cost. They are going to take up more memory, they are going to be more system intensive, and they are often more laggy. Text editors are more lightweight. They don't come with many of the features an IDE would, so they are typically meant for less complex scripting. However, they run faster and take up less memory. So now we have to decide which one we want to use. Having an IDE to autocomplete lines and debug code can be great, but it can also take away from the learning experience. It can even hurt you more in the long run. For example, when it comes to learning how to find bugs in the code. For those reasons, and since we'll be starting with simple code, I will be using the text editor Sublime Text 3. Alrighty. To download it, search sublimetext.com/3. Here you will see all the download options. Choose whichever is best for your computer. The download bar will pop up on the bottom. Just click on it and follow the instructions. I already have it downloaded, so let's skip ahead. Once it's downloaded, this is what it's going to look like. We could start with something simple. Now, there are a couple things you're going to have to do before this is going to work for Python. First, you're going to want to go to Tools, Build Systems, and then click Python down here. After that, you're going to want to click File, Save As, and I'm going to be saving all mine on the desktop in a new folder, and I'm just going to call that folder Python. You could save it anywhere you want. This is just what I'm going to be doing. And let's name that file test.py. Alright, once you have that saved, to run it, all you're going to do is click Control B. And there it is. Hello world. Now, if you just installed this, you might get this message, which is letting you know Python is not yet installed on your computer. This is a simple fix. All you're going to do is copy the link, go to your search bar, and search that link. And it will take you right to the download. We already have it installed, but this is the install button right here. You just click it, let it install, and then you should be good to go. And there you have it. We have successfully downloaded Sublime Text 3. In the next video, we will be talking about variables. I hope this was helpful, and if you enjoyed, please consider clicking that subscribe button. In the next video, we will be talking about variables. There are many more Python tutorials on the way, and they will be getting more and more advanced as we progress. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.